Hope you guys enjoyed the showcase part of the build, and quite interesting build, I do have to say. So no RGB, full black design. On the parts that it actually lights up, I had to turn it off because even though I do have a full black non-RGB GPU, I didn't want to go with that one because, well, simple, it's just don't have that much benchmark, so I can't compare. Because in this case, it really does matter. And we're having here Endorfy ARX 500 Air, and we're having FERA 5 Black. These are two outstanding products from Endorfy, and I have to admit, throughout the whole benchmarks, even on the past videos that I mentioned, they were really quiet. This was outstandingly quiet. I don't know how they managed this, because honestly, this was really good. So in the case we have 5 Stratus 140 PWM fans. They're connected at a hub at the back, which only needs PWM connection towards your motherboard to be able to power them on. And it's interesting because I was mentioning this configuration of fans in the other video, and 3 on front, 1 above, right above the CPU tower cooler, and 1 at the rear as an exhaust. So we have 3 intake, 2 exhaust. That's enough. That's all you need for air cooling in general. Maybe you can even remove the bottom one as well, but that could be better for the GPU. Now, the case is somewhat similar to the RX 700, and I'm talking about the power supply shroud, because you have two 2.5-inch SSD brackets here and a quite nice opening at the back for a possibility to reroute the cables for SATA SSDs, as well as 2 at the back. And when we're talking about the back, we have loads of Velcro ties and those extrusion parts for zip ties to be able to do a perfect cable management. So it is possible, and it is really quite nice. And in general, the case from the inner part has a tilted right side of the motherboard a bit to the inner part, just so you can place more cables at that side. It's really nicely organized, and in those terms gives you an option for, let's say, better cable management. But as you can see, if you go with this, I mean, I'm digging this full black design. This is so cool in general. When we're talking about no RGB lights, we're going back memory lane when there weren't any RGB on components. In general, this really does look outstanding. And now let's check out something interesting. So RX 500 Air with FERA 5 Black, and we're having AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D with RTX4080 Super Gaming X Slim. AGST Extreme Edition System Stability Test. CPU went up to 78 degrees. Clock speed 4711 MHz, and GPU went up to 68. That's solid. But what I really want to see is Cinebench. So in first 7 runs, 92 degrees, and the last 3 are 91. Of course, in the 6th and 7th, I also saw 91, but I was taking an average or something because the majority of the run was 92. And then we go to the best part of it all, 4982 average megahertz clock speed throughout whole 10 benchmarks. This is insane. This is really good. And when we check out the scores, it starts at 21,437. It ends up at something around that for 21,499. But check out the 2nd to 5th one. They were so close. And then, of course, 6th and 7th were also pretty close. But the stability in this one was outstanding. And if you're running a 9800X3D and you want to cool it down, but you don't want to go with liquid cooling, you want to have something subtle, just pure gaming build without any RGB lights or anything similar to that, this is my warm recommendation in this configuration. This is something that will definitely be like stealth build that delivers, without a doubt. And let's be honest, this is only 2 to 3, maybe 400 Cinebench points compared to a 360 that I tested in some other cases, in some other chassis. And imagine you can add another fan on the FERA 5 Black here as an exhaust, so push-pull combination on it. That's outstanding. The case is really good because we're having the simplicity, 5 140 PWM fans, which are already pre-connected, so you don't have to worry about anything. You have 2 USB 3.0, USB Type-C, power on reset button, 2 indication lights, HDD, and power, and basically, I don't know else what to add. This is a sick combination. Guys, PC Crazy performance badge for both of these products, and PC Crazy approved badge because I recommend both of this. And without a doubt, a sweet combination of these two products. And I'll link everything in the description, as I said, so you can check out the prices. But I honestly think this is definitely a best buy combination. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, click the notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow in another one. Bye bye.